Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name's John. All right, so this is what we got going on here. It's BMW X3 2008 and we're getting a bunch of lights on the dashboard. In fact, the speedometer just broke the other day. It's since come back on and working now, but I believe there's a lot of sensors and I'm not sure which tires they're on, front or all four of them, but they probably need to be replaced at this point because the ABS light is on, the 4x4 light is on, the brake light is on, and I'm hoping to resolve this by upgrading some of the sensors on the tires. So let me take the front two tires off and just figure out where these sensors are located. This way. Okay, I got the wheels off. So let's look at these sensors down here. This is the driver's side front, and this is the brake pad sensor. And this other wire here, get back here, that I believe is either the speed sensor or ABS sensor, or maybe it does both. But there's one of those on that side, and then if we come over here to the passenger side, it looks like we have the exact same sensor over here. So I think I'm going to take both of these off, replace both of them. I'm wondering if there's one on all four tires. I don't know yet. I haven't looked at the back tires, but these are original and we're getting all kinds of lights on the dash. So maybe replacing these will remediate some of those. All right, I've gone ahead and taken off all four tires, and each of these tires do have each of the wheels do have a sensor on the back. So not this one, this is the brake pad sensor on the back, but this one right here looks to be the wheel sensor, and it comes underneath. I think I need to take this one panel off. It looks like there's maybe 3 bolts on this panel right here. If I take that off, I should be able to get to the disconnect in there and replace that easy enough. So so now that I know that there's 4 on here, I'm going to go ahead and order 4 new sensors and replace all of them. Okay, let's see what's in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get working on this car, and you know, Mess, you're gonna have to move. Can't be having you sitting there while I'm trying to take these wires off. All right, so there you go. Yeah, there you go. All right, so let's look at this. All right, this is where is it? This is the guy. This is the guy we need right here. I believe it's just 1 bolt back there. Yep, 1 bolt. It connects right here. Should be able to pop that out. And then, come on, I'm gonna have to put the camera down for this. And then this comes around here, and it goes into this little compartment right here. We should be able to open this. Again, I might have to put the camera down. Oh, yeah, just gently pop that open there. There we go. Wiggle that out, wiggle that out. Okay. And it looks like it's just twist off. Oh, okay. Look at that. It's like a little pin you got to push in right there, just on that one side. So we'll do that. See if we can release that. Gently pull that apart. All right. There you go. And I'm just observing how this looks like it wraps around the spring here. Yeah, because there's another over here. So we'll take it out there. Yeah. Okay, then that wraps around. Wraps around like so. And then we can pull it out here. Pull it out right there. All right, so that's that. There we go. Oh man. Look at that, it's a little bit dirty. Okay, so here's the old one, and I got 2 new boxes, and So it looks like the front ones are going to be the big one or the long one. And so we'll use this one here. Just match it up, make sure it looks all right. Looks about the same to me. And these look the same as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this installed. In reverse order here, we will insert the new plug or speed sensor. There we go. And try not to over torque this because, yeah, it's just a little plastic sensor, so don't pull on that too hard. So right here in the front, we'll just pop this in. There we go. And then we're going to run this back around here. We'll pop this in the back here. This goes in here like so. Oh, there goes my flashlight. You gotta be careful with the plastic things around here. You don't want to break these clips off. So like that. There we go. And then that. There we go. There we go. Got it in there. All right. So that is one wheel. This here, snake around here. Get it in there. And that's one out of 4. It's pretty easy. So we got 3 more to go. I wonder if you can even take these off and just clean this junk off here, if they'd work better. Just years of grime. This is 2008, so what, 15 years of grime on here? All right, so these rear sensors right here are a little bit more challenging to get to because it comes under here, it comes under the body, and now we need to take this little panel off right here underneath. Okay, it looks like we can just swing this out of the way. All right. That's pretty easy. All right, I went ahead and zip ties those back as before. So now let's get this back together. Okay. Oh, easy peasy. 3 down, 1 more to go. I've got the sensors replaced on all 4 tires. Haven't put the tires back on yet. But I wanted to start it up, see if that made a difference at all. Haven't started this car in a while. Oh, it's out in here. All right, I don't know if you can see here. Okay. Well, we got the 4x4 on. We got the ABS, we got brakes, we got seatbelt, we got airbag. Yeah, I think that's not gonna fix any of that jazz. Okay, so unless maybe I gotta reset all this. I mean, I don't know, maybe I'll reset all the codes and see if that makes a difference. Let's go ahead and get the tires back on.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones.
All right, I got all 4 tires back on here. All right, let's reset these codes. This is just a cheap code scanner. Take it for a drive, see how it does. Let's erase all the codes. Yes. Okay. The check engine light went off. I don't know if these other ones did though. So let's turn on some AC here. Holy moly, it's gotta be 120 in here. There's our airbag that came back on. Yeah, all kinds of lights on this machine. The car drives great, but you know, I don't think what we did is gonna fix these guys up. See, that brake light just came on. 4x4 is always on, ABS is always come on together. I was hoping replacing all those sensors would have repaired all this. But anyway, we got the speedometer working. Maybe that'll continue to work. What are all these hens doing over here? Somebody must have given them some food.
Yes!
6 eggs?
Yes!
Blue?
And 2 olives.
I think I figured out the one leaving this one. At least I saw her sitting.
Okay, well, just
I
don't.
got olives.
And look how intense pinky that was.
That's intense. Alright, well I got your car back together, so I'll put the all new sensors on it.
Oh, that's what you were doing. Okay.
Yeah, speedometer works. But all the lights are still on the dash, so it didn't really fix anything. Like, other than just put $150 into your car. Hey man, that would have been like $1,000 repair job if I had had someone do it, you know?
Okay.
So,
Yes,
probably more than that. So, anyway, I couldn't find the coolant leak either, so I think I'm just gonna leave it for now. If the coolant leak starts getting worse, I'll diagnose it again, but I guess we'll close this video out. You wanna say anything? You wanna close this out for me? Close it out. How do we close it out?
What do you usually say?
I usually say like, thanks for watching. You know, sometimes I say, hey, give the video a thumbs up, you know, if you like it. Subscribe if you haven't already. I don't know, whatever.
Am I looking ugly?
You look great. I don't know why I hesitated there, but you look Close her out. It's all you, take it away.
Hold on.
This has been a production of John Bull Outdoors. We appreciate you watching.
Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Give thumbs up. And what else do you say?
That's it. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
What
Bye.
she said. Peace out. Everything is plastic on this car.
You walking in the distance.